What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the alarm no sound issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all open clock app. Now from here tap on the alarm and then tap on this bell icon. Now from here, if you have set the alarm sound to silent, then your alarm will not make any sound. So choose a sound for your alarm from this list. So just simply tap on a name and then that sound will be selected as the alarm sound. Now if you're still facing the issue, then maybe you have turned off this button. So if this button is turned off, then your alarm will not ring. So tap on this button to turn it on, and after that the no alarm sound issue will be fixed. Now after these solutions, if you're still facing the issue, then tap and hold on the clock app, tap on this information icon and then tap on storage. Now here clear the cache memory of the clock app. So to clear this, tap on clear data and then select clear cache and then tap on OK to confirm. Now after clearing the cache memory, the alarm no sound issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the alarm no sound issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.